This is the summary created from the video, Cloud Computing Case Study with a Commercial Cloud Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a commercial cloud platform that provides a global network of data centers for building and deploying applications with platform as a service capabilities for developers and IT professionals. Azure offers a range of components and services, including the Azure Platform, SQL Azure for cloud databases, and Azure Fabric for connectivity, enabling businesses and consumers to scale applications and store data across global cloud services. It provides the flexibility to deploy applications anywhere with a choice of tools, leveraging open-source technologies for development, while ensuring consistent hybrid capabilities across the cloud and on-premises with robust security, privacy, compliance, and transparency features. Microsoft Azure offers integrated cloud services for rapid application development, deployment, and management with a consistent portal experience catering to projects of varying complexity, along with advanced analytics and data services for generating insights, anomaly detection, and behavior prediction. In a demo, a Python web application is created and deployed on the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform by modifying sample code, configuring resources like the app service plan and web app, setting up local Git for syncing, and running the app on Azure. Key takeaways highlight Azure's hybrid cloud capabilities for on-premises integration, leveraging open-source technologies for flexible app development, providing advanced analytics and data services for intelligent insights, enabling rapid app development and deployment via integrated services, and offering robust security, compliance, and transparency for enterprises. Additionally, the demo showcases the deployment of Python web app on the Azure Cloud Platform, exemplifying Azure's versatility in supporting various development frameworks and languages. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.